I recently purchased this cookbook from Snoop Dogg. It's called From Crook to Cook, Platinum Recipes from the Boss Dogg's Kitchen. It is a hardcover cookbook and it has a lot of recipes in it. So here's the table of contents. You have opening words from Martha Stewart, welcome to my kitchen, in my pantry, in my fridge, top of the spots. So what he's talking about there, he's talking about some of his favorite restaurants that are located in Los Angeles. And the chapters are breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, drinks, parties, acknowledgments, biography, and the index. In the introduction, he's talking a little bit about himself and his journey with cooking and food. He's showing items that he normally has on hand in his refrigerator. And here are some of the restaurants that he frequents in Los Angeles. So what I like about this book, there are several pages like this where he's using these bright colors in brightly colored fonts. So on this one, he's just talking about some of the restaurants that he frequents in Los Angeles. What I also like about this cookbook is he takes recipes and he changes the name. So this one is a flapjacks recipe, but he named it Stacked Up Flapjacks. And then this is a cinnamon roll recipe and he named it Cinnamon Rolling. This is a chopped salad recipe, but he named it Chop It Up Salad. Here is another one of those brightly colored pages. In this one, he's talking about some of his favorite snacks that he has on hand. I have made several recipes from this cookbook. For me, they were easy to follow and I was able to find all of the ingredients for the recipe. The cookbook also has several pages of the finished recipe all throughout the book. So this is the dessert section, and then this is a chocolate cake, and he's calling it Go Shorty, It's Your Birthday Cake. I will definitely continue to make recipes from it.